Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share wheat versus gluten-free flour, types of wheat flour, and storing flour. Centuries ago, most flours were finely ground whole grains. They included barley, corn, oat, rice, rye, and wheat. Wheat, rye, and barley contain the protein gluten. Oat, rice, and corn do not. People with celiac disease must eliminate grains with gluten from their diet. Wheat is also a major allergen. Today, in addition to corn, oats, and rice, there are many gluten-free flours. While they eliminate gluten, they can have more calories than wheat flour. Gluten-free buckwheat and cassava flour have about the same number of calories as wheat flour. There are two types of wheat, spring and winter. Spring wheat is referred to as soft and contains less protein. Winter wheat is classified as hard and has more protein. Soft wheat is used for pastry and cake flour, hard wheat, bread and whole wheat flour, and a blend for all-purpose and self-rising flour. U.S. wheat flours are graded by protein content. Bread and whole wheat flour have more protein than cake flour. Refined wheat flour is available bleached and unbleached. Bleached cake flour is used for white cakes made without egg yolks. Until recently, all consumer cake flours were bleached. Today, you can also buy unbleached cake flour. Unbleached cake flour is suitable for all cakes except white cakes. Most white wheat flours are enriched to add back vitamins and minerals lost by removing the germ. Self-rising flour is an all-purpose flour with baking powder and salt. It's used for making biscuits and non-yeast breads like cornbread. Organic wheat flour is not genetically modified or grown with synthetic pesticides. Like all wheat flours, it does contain gluten. Removing the fat-rich germ increases the shelf life of white flours. They can be stored at room temperature up to 2 years. Whole wheat and high-fat gluten-free flours can become rancid in as little as 1 month. Storing whole grain and high-fat gluten-free flours in an airtight container in your refrigerator or freezer increases shelf life to 1 or more years. You can also refrigerate or freeze refined flours. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.